Hey everyone, this is Nick. Welcome back to the channel. In this short video, I'm doing some carpet cleaning over in West Sacramento, and I have already pre-sprayed. I've already raked it in. I'm just letting it dwell, and I'm only doing 3 bedrooms today. Those are the 2 smaller bedrooms, and I'm doing a master bedroom with a different style of carpet. This is kind of like a shag, frise kind of carpet, a little different than the other 2 rooms. It's pretty soiled in some of the areas. I already talked to the homeowner and they said, we know that it's pretty bad. Just do your best. We just want it clean because they just bought the home. So I'm going to get in here and I'm going to start cleaning everything and rinsing it out. So not a lot to it in this video, but I do want to show you guys how I actually clean carpet, my method when I'm using my wand. So that way I rinse and extract the most out of the carpet. So here you can see I've already cleaned one path, and you can already tell that it's making a little bit of a difference. The carpet on the left is really nice and vibrant, and the one on the right is real dull. Alright, so this is my cleaning method. I work straight up and down, so I'll go up and down, and I'll spray both ways. So I'll spray, you'll see right here, I'll spray going up, and I'll spray going back. And almost at the end, I'll let go of my trigger, so there's no water, and I'll kind of tilt the wand up to relieve the vacuum, so that way it's not hard to get started on my second line. And I'll go forward fast and I'll go back slowly, and I'll just work across the room. And here it is from a different angle, so you can see go forward and go back slower, tilt, forward, back, tilt, forward, back, tilt. And then after that's done, of course, I'll just do my dry passes and go back across the room. And this way I can spray both sides of the fiber, so I can get it going forward and then I can rinse it going back, and that's just a really good clean. And this is after everything's cleaned, and I raked this room because it's kind of a really dense carpet, and so I wanted the dry times to be better in this room. And you can see in the middle, that's where the high traffic is, so that carpet is never going to look the same as the one on the left. It'll always look a little darker, but it is clean. What I like to do, because the customer already paid me and I have to lock up, I'll go ahead and leave the house fan on so I don't have to leave any windows open. I won't turn the AC or the heat on, but I'll leave the house fan on. These are the other 2 bedrooms, and I'm not going to rake these out because you can see it's a different carpet style. The pile is really low, so it's not going to have an issue with dry times, and it really looks nice when you walk in and you see the pattern right there with the lines. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoy this short video. Thanks for watching.